I got my hand on these lush moringa leaves, which is a superfood packed with all the goodness. So I decided to make powder out of it, which can be used in my everyday diet. We'll start by separating the leaves from its branches. Then run a final check to get rid of the stalks, bird poops, or even any yellow leaves. Wash them under running water. Then spread them out on a clean cloth. You may cover it with another cloth and press gently to squeeze out excess water. I will divide these leaves into two parts. One I have left to naturally air dry under shade. Second, I will pop it into OTG. It is at 180 degrees Celsius and I have kept it for 5 to 6 minutes. I'll be tossing and turning them midway so that they don't burn. You can look at it. It has been dried completely. The other one took almost 2 days to dry out completely. You can listen to the sound of it. Now I'll grind them in a blender. I have done separately for both of them to see the difference that has been created. Then I've stored them into separate airtight containers. I mix it in warm water along with honey and lemon and drink it every day. So I have both the moringa powder with me. This was done in OTG and this was naturally air dried over 2 days. So one basic difference that I can see between these two is the color. This is a little olive and brownish green, whereas this one is very bright green. So there is a stark difference in the color. So I'll see how does it smell. Do they smell similar or is there a difference too? Okay. There's a lot of difference also in the smell. So this one is very strong and it kinds of a little burnt also. And this one is quite mild. So I've been using this since this was not ready. So I've been using this from past 2 days, and like I can say, it was very strong when I would put it in water. But I'm really excited, looking forward to try this one as it's very mild. I think it will just mix up with the water rather than having its own flavor. So I would really recommend you to try out the air dried method. For me, it took only 2 days and it makes a lot of difference. Though I was standing on the head of OTG the entire time, this was getting heated up and getting brewed, but still this is more natural. Thank you.